इदानीं
Can I ask one thing? Can I ask one thing?
एकनिमिषम्, 1 सेकेण्ड्। तो मूलवाक्ये किमस्ति? मूलवाक्ये यः अर्थः रामः वनं गच्छति इति लक्ष्मणः सीता च तम् अनुगच्छतः। रामः वनं गच्छति, न तत् पूर्वमासीत् पिता वचनं ददाति इति रामः राज्यं त्यजति इति। अत्र अर्थः अददात्, दास्यति, अदास्यति एतत् सर्वं कृतमस्ति, त्यक्षति इति अपि कृतमस्ति। अनन्तरं म्यूट् अवश्यं करोतु महोदय। I am not going to repeat this again and again. Yeah. Otherwise nobody can hear. I myself cannot hear what I am saying. So अददात् दास्यति, अदास्यत्, त्यजत्, त्यक्षति, अत्यक्षति एतत् सर्वं लिखितमस्ति सर्वैः। तत् कुत्रचित् टङ्कणदोष अस्ति, अथा त्यक्षति अत्र यकारः नास्ति, कुत्रचित् क्ष अनन्तरं यकारः आवश्यकः, तत्र त्यक्षति इति यकारः कुत्रचित् नास्ति। अनन्तरं तकारस्य अनन्तरमपि यकारः नास्ति, कुत्रचित् कश्चित् यकारः न लिखितः अस्ति, त्यक्षति। तत्सर्वं समीचीनमेव। अनन्तरम् अर्थः कः इति अपि द्रष्टव्यः। पिता वचनं ददाति इति रामः राज्यं त्यजति इत्युक्ते अर्थः कः भवति? पिता वचनं ददाति, पिता कैकेयी अस्ति, कैकेय्यै वचनं ददाति इति पिता दशरथः वचनं ददाति इति रामः राज्यं त्यजति। तदेव कारणमस्ति। पिता वचनं ददाति तत् कारणमस्ति इति रामः राज्यं त्यजति। पिता वचनं न ददाति चेत् रामः राज्यं रामस्य राज्यत्यागं न अभवत्। तस्य अर्थः लृङ्लकारूपेण कथं भवति? पिता वचनं न अदास्यत् चेत् रामः राज्यं न अत्यक्षत्। पिता वचनं न ददाति चेत् रामः राज्यं न अत्यजत् इति सामान्य लङ्लकाररूपे। इदानीं पिता अपि वचनं दत्तवान्, रामः अपि राज्यं त्यक्तवान्। इदानीं वचनस्य अदानस्य प्रसक्तिः एव नास्ति। अदानस्य इत्युक्ते दानं तु अभवत् एव, इदानीं तत्तु अन्यथा न भवति, तत्तु भूतकाले भवति। इदानीं पिता वचनं न अदास्यत् चेत् रामः राज्यं न अत्यक्षत् इति भवति। अस्तु, लक्ष्मीकान्त महोदय, कः प्रश्नः? लक्ष्मीकान्त महोदय, क्वेश्चन? Not there. Okay. Now other couple of things I observed is is there any question? No.
This is what I have written, what it means. That is what I just wanted, because something is not clear in my mind. That is
not a question, but
what is that, Mother? Suresh Mother? It is broken. So can you repeat? I can't hear you. So the other
there seems to be some issue with the pre-conference today. It's disconnecting and reconnecting. So.
Okay. The other some places what I have seen is the this upasargasya yojanam puna. Again, this is again repetition, like what you have studied before, like how the upasargas have to be added. Upasargasya yojanam katham bhavati langlakara vishaye langlakarasya nirmana samaye. So what you have to do, remember that katham bhavati langlakarasya vishaye upasargah iti परित्यजति इति अस्ति चेत् परित्यजति इति अस्ति अस्य लङ्लकाररूपं कथं भवति उपसर्गस्य तथा मूल क्रियापदम् अस्ति उपसर्गं विना तत् उपसर्गस्य उपसर्गं पृथक् कृत्वा उपसर्गम् अनन्तरं त्यजति लट्लकारमूलरूपम् अस्ति क्रियापदस्य रूपं लट्लकारे तस्य आदौ लङ्लकाररूपं किं भवति इति चिन्तयतु त्यजति इति किं भवति अत्यजत् 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 इति भवति अनन्तरं परि इति उपसर्गं पुनः योजयतु अत्र परि इति उपसर्गस्य योजनेन किं भवति परि प्लस् अत्यजत् इदानीं सन्धिनियमः अस्ति सन्धिनियमः कः भवति इ प्लस् अ इति सर्वं पूर्वम् आसीत् अस्माकम् अभ्यासः इ प्लस् अ तत्र वस्तुतः इकारस्य स्थाने एव यकारः आगच्छति इदानीम् अस्तु इकारस्य स्थाने यकार य प्लस् पुनः य परि प्लस् अत्यजत् पर्यत्यजत् इति भवति अनन्तरम् उ प्लस् अस्ति चेत् सन्धिः भूत्वा व इति भवति व इति तथैव अत्र अग्रिमवाक्यमस्ति अत्र अनुगच्छतः इति अस्तु अनुगच्छतः इति क्रियापदं तस्य भूतकालरूपं लङ्लकाररूपं भवति अनु प्लस् अगच्छतः तत्र उ प्लस् अ अस्ति उ प्लस् अ मेलनं भवति सन्धिः तत्र व भवति अन्वगच्छताम् एव अन्वगच्छतामेव तत्र लङ्लकाररूपं रूपे अपि अस्ति तत्र अन्वगमिष्यताम् गमिष्य इत्येव गमिष्य इति मध्यभागः लङ्लकारे तिष्ठति अनन्तरम् अनु तत्र अन्व इति भवति लङ्लकारस्य भागः अनु प्लस् अ इति अन्व अनन्तरम् अन्तिमतः इति स्थाने ताम् इति लङ्लकारस्य भागः पुनः यत्र अनुगच्छताम् इति तत्र ताम् इति लङ्लकारस्य अन्तिमभागः तत्र लृङ्लकारेऽपि सः अन्तिमभागः अत्र आगच्छति ताम् इति अन्वगमिष्यताम्
I was asking for nasti, whatever I have done.
Nasti, right? Nasti.
Anashishyat and akarishyat. Anashishyat. Nasti. For nasti I have done anashishyat.
No, because nasti is actually two words, right? Na plus asti. Na plus asti. So kriyapadam is only asti here. Kriyapadam kevalam asti iti asti, not nasti. So na is a different word. So bring it out. So only asti. Asya lृङ्लकार रूपं किं भवति? लृङ्लकार रूपम् अस्ति. अस्ति लङ्लकार भूतकाले किं भवति अस्ति आसीत्. And bhavishyat kalam kim bhavati?
Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati. So in that case, both if you bring together, the lang lakar rupam is again abhavishyat only. There is nothing else. So so here Suresh Modi has put it correctly in the lang lakar rupam. So this makes sense, right? Putra abhavishyat chet dasharatha yagam na akarishyat. Now na you can put here also. Putra na abhavishyat chet dasharatha yagam akarishyat. But putra has already happened. So that is why we have to put it this way. Putra abhavishyat chet dasharatha yagam na akarishyat. So here nasti is not the kriyapadam. Na asti. That first you have to divide that and then use change asti to dhanglakar rupam. So one is the meaning part. So some of you have missed, confused in understanding the meaning and putting it. Maybe in your mind you might have understood it, but while writing the dhanglakar sentence, so that has not come out properly. And
Nastya, I assume that it is not. The putra is not there. He has no putra.
yeah, that is
Like
correct.
that.
That is correct. He has no putra. Putra nasti. That is correct. But na nasti is not a kriyapadam, right? Na plus asti. That you have to first separate and take only asti and then change that to dhanglakar rupam. Okay. Na you should separate.
I think na as a upasarga.
No, yeah. Na is not upasarga. Yeah. Na is a separate word. The other thing is artha and upasarga, and one more thing in some answers I noticed, this one. Palayasi. This is a madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Palayasi. Then the tasya lang lakar rupamasti apalayah. And bhavishyat kal rupamasti drit lakar rupamasti palayashyasi. Then the dring rupam bhavati. Again same thing, the bhutakalasya akaraha tatra. Antaram madhyabhagah palayishya tatparyantam yatha bhavishya iti asti. Tathaiva palayishya tatparyantam anantana punaha antima bhagah lang lakar rupasya. Lang lakar rupasya atra antima bhagah kevalam visargah asti. Visargah atra आपतति अत्र अपालयिष्यः इति अपालयः पालयिष्यसि अपालयिष्यः इत्येव कोष्टके अपि अत्र दर्शित पूर्वम् अभविष्यः इति अभविष्यत् अभविष्यताम् अभविष्यन् अभविष्यः अभविष्यतम् अभविष्यत अभविष्यम् अभविष्याम् अभविष्याम्.
So whatever Suresh Mahadaya has written is totally correct. That way we should correct our reading.
Yeah, compare your answers to this because.
But whatever, I have made mistakes, some things are not like that, but then whatever Suresh Mahadaya has written, I should correct according to that, my answer.
Yeah. I mean, there were some typos here. I made some corrections in his answer sheet. So this has been now verified.
महोदय प्रार्थयति लंग लकार क्या होता है उसका?
प्रार्थयति हाँ
13 sentence.
Yes come there. So we mute.
Okay.
So the two things. One is I'll talk about this 11 also. 11, 12, 13. So now I used Suresh Mohodaya's answer sheet as a template because that was the closest I could use with my minimal work for me. So I just used it. There were one or two corrections I had to make, but that was the closest. So number 11 here. Sita na drishta iti marutihi samudram langheti. Asyartha tu spashtah asti sarvesham. Asit bhavishyati. Now, atra Sita na drishta iti maruti samudram langheti. Asmin vakye kati kriyapadani santi? Sita na drishta iti maruti samudram langhayati. अत्र अस्मिन् वाक्ये कति क्रियापदानि सन्ति?
अलङ्घयति।
लङ्घयति इति क्रियापदम् अस्ति, एकमेव क्रियापदम् अस्ति।
Drashta is not kriyapad?
Drashta is not a kriyapadam, right? Because drishta is like a drishtavan, drishtavati, like that it is a namapadam. So though we have not actually studied in our classes, some of you might have studied what is the actual rupam or what type of padam, namapadam is drishta. It is similar to drishtavan, drishtavati or krutavan, krutavati, like that. This is a drishta is a karmani rupam. It is a namapadam basically. Sita, it is a visheshanam here. It is a simple visheshanam to Sita. Sita na drishta.
Not seen.
Huh?
It is like not seen. It is like not seen.
Yeah, she is not seen.
No, seen.
So it is a kriyapadam, it is a visheshanam to Sita. So Sita, udaharanam Sita, suppose there is a Sundari word. Sita, Sundari means Sundari is a visheshanam to Sita. So like that, Drishta is also visheshanam to Sita. Sita is the one who has not been seen. So Sita na drishta iti marutihi samudram langhayati. So this is the sentence. Atra langhayati iti eva kriyapadam, ekameva kriyapadam, ditiyam kriyapadam nasti. Parantu tathapi Suresh Mahodayana kim kritam asti atra asit iti kriyapadasya adhyaharamas. He has brought it here because asit is the default. Asti, asit, you can assume as default. So Sita na drishta asti. So that is assumed here. Sita na drishta asti iti marutihi samudram langheti. Okay, so without that also you can do. Without assuming that asit also you can convert that to ring lakara with just a langheti. That is fine. But if you put asit, then it becomes even more clear here. So Sita na drishta iti marutihi samudram langheti. Tatra Sita na drishta asit iti athva asti iti marutihi samudram langheti. So he has converted asit to bhavishyati. Simple again. Bhavishyati, bhavishyat. Again also here there is small typo.
So in this sentence I got one doubt. Suresh Mahodaya written Yadi Sita Drishta Abhavishyat Chet Maruti Samudram Na Alankashyat. Yadi is it necessary there, sir? Since we are using Chet, Yadi is to be used there?
Very. I just removed it, sorry. It is not. It is, yeah.
It is not. Yeah.
It should not be there.
No, I had put it as Yadi Tarda. Is that okay? Is that
Yadi
the right way to put it?
Yadi and Tarri, yeah.
Yadi and Tarri.
Yadi Sita drishta bhavishyat chet tarhi marutihi samudram na alangeshyat. So we just
okay.
Yeah, dhanyawad. So Sita drishta bhavishyat chet marutihi samudram na alangeshyat. Now putting abhavishyat is fine here. No, you can remove abhavishyat. It is, I mean, you can just say Sita drashta chet Maruti samudram na alangaishat. That is also fine. You can use just one rang rupam. And then the other one is assumed in that case. Sita yatha मूलवाक्ये अपि अस्ति सीता न दृष्टा इति मारुति समुद्रं लङ्घयति तथा आसीत् इति assumed there. So here also सीता दृष्टा चेत् मारुतिः समुद्रं न लङ्घयिष्यत्. That is also fine. Now, number 12. द्वादशं वाक्यं रावणः पुच्छं ज्वालयति इति मारुतिः लङ्कानगरं नाशयति. Now, most of you written it fine, all these forms. Jwalayat, jwalayishyati, jwalayishyat. No, nashayati is some couple of answer sheets I've seen has some different form. Ravana pucham na jwalayishyat. So what will become nashayati? Nashayati langlaka rupam kim?
Anashiyat. Anashiyat. Anashiyat.
Langlaka rupam anashayat. So basically, the langlakara rupam is anashayat, and lit lakara rupam is nashayishyati. But in some answers, I saw something like nangshat something, nangshat or nangshati something.
It was on about.
Yes, Mahoday, I wrote nangshayati.
Asadhyayi.
Actually, even I wrote that.
Nangshayati.
It was on what is that? Asadhyayi. Nangshayati.
Okay, let's see what Ashtadhyayi. Which one did you select here? What did you type?
Nash. Na-ish.
2-3 will come, and I went through 2-3 of them and then found Nashayati.
This one, Nasha?
No, this Nash-ish. Nasha nahi, na-ish.
Now, what did you search here? Nasha or Nasha?
Nashayati, oh, I got as Nash.
I am not saying any Nash here. Maybe.
I think Nasa. Nasa.
Nasha?
Nasha.
There is no Nash here.
Nasa. No. I want to Nasa.
Nasha? No, Nash is different. Nash is the, you see, that Artha is different. That is Nash is different.
I go. Okay.
Nash. Which
Nash.
one? Oh, there are, okay. Somebody said Ashtadhyayi. Who is it? Nasha. Is this the one you select? You searched? Bhagini now.
Yes. I searched this only.
The first one?
The first one.
Okay. So, note that here. What is the lat lakar rupam?
It's a Nashyati. So this is not the one, Mahodaya. Nasayati. It should be Nasayati.
So here writ is Nangshati. This is okay. Nangshati. But this is a different dhatu. That is nashyati, nash. But in our question, what is there? Nash.
Nasayati, yeah. The verb is different. Nasayati.
Bagini, shakara, shankarasha. Nash, nashayati.
Nashayati.
Nashayati. So here there is a difference, right? It is like, this is not nashyati, nashayati. What is the difference between nashyati and nashayati? Chila Bagini.
Nashyati, nasayati.
What is the difference? Like chalati, chalayati. Nashyati, nashayati. So what is the difference between chalati and chalayati?
Is it nashayati to destroy?
Nashayati is who is doing it. Nashati means it's getting destroyed.
Yeah.
Nashati.
What is the relation between chalati and chalayati? That you should know, right? Like
Chalati, yeah. Chalati is the one going. Vahanam chalati.
Okay.
Chalayati is I am driving. I am doing.
Someone is doing. When someone else is doing is chalayati, and chalati is doing by itself.
Yeah. Chalati, chalati. Yeah, chalati. Like that. Nashyati, nashayati is similar. Nashyati, vakya prayogam karotu. Vakyasya udaharanam kim? Chalati, sorry, nashyati. So in this, nashyati udaharanam dadatu.
Maruti Lanka Nagaram nashyati.
No, Maruti na. Nashyati is already here. Forget Maruti. That's some other nashyati. Nashyati. Any other example in the sentence?
Saha pustakam nashyati.
What is the meaning of nashyati?
Destroy.
Sudhir Mohdaya?
Nashyati is destroy.
No, nashyati. Udaharanam vadatu. Ekam udaharanam vakyam.
Mohdaya, do nashyati disappear.
I can't hear. There is a lot of noise. Yeah. What is Mangala Bagini?
Smoking dhumapana aham nashyati. It destroys.
Destroy. See, Sudhir Mohdaya just now said, or Suresh Mohdaya, somebody said, Sure, nashyati, nashayati difference they said. Or you can repeat that again, somebody, Suresh Mohdaya or...
Nashyati means the object is getting destroyed. It is like Vukshaha Nashyati, which means the tree is destroyed.
Kim Nashyati?
Vukshaha Nashyati. Saha Vukshaha Nashayati.
Saha Vruksham Nashayati.
Vruksham Nashayati.
Okay. Vrukshaha, so Prathama Vakye, Vrukshaha Nashyati. So in that, what is the Kriya Padam? Vrukshaha Nashyati. Asmin Vakye. Nashyati Kriya Padam asti. Kartru Padam kim?
Vrikshaha.
So what is Vriksha doing?
Vriksha is getting destroyed.
Vrikshaha nashyati.
Vrikshaha Swayam Nashyati.
Swayam. Correct.
Vrikshaha Nashyati means...
Sir, I'll say one sentence. Adivrishti bhavati chet krishi nashyati.
Yes, गुड् अतिवृष्टिः भवति चेत् कृषिः नश्यति उत्तमम् so krushihi nashyati so nobody is destroying krushi itself is destroyed itself krushihi nashyati so nashyati tatra nashyati krushihi tatra nashyati what is that it's akarmaka kriya padam akarmaka dhatu nashyati so because it is not doing the work on anything else the destruction is happening on the kartru is getting destroyed kartruh nashyati kartru padam atha कर्ता नश्यति कर्तृपदमेते कृषिः नश्यति वृक्षः नश्यति so but nashayati means somebody is destroying somebody else in the udaharanam
औषधेन रोगं नाशयति
किं कस्य औषधेन न औषधम् औषधं रोगं नाशयति because here the work of destruction is done by aushadha and the roga it is killing the roga it is destroying the roga like yatha chalayati they are also similar right aham vahanam chalayami means I am driving the vehicle aham vahan or I am moving the vehicle aham vahanam chalayami so in that aham vahanam chalayami in that kartrupadam kim
धूमपानं कृत्वा
वाहनं चालयामि अहं वाहनं चालयामि तत्र अहम् इस् क्रिया कर्तृपदं क्रियापदं किमस्ति
वाहनं
क्रियापदं
चालयामि
वाहनं किम् अस्ति
कर्मपदं
so similarly atra also in this nashayati also aushadham aushadham kim rogam nashayati atra nashayati kriyapadam kartrupadam kim औषधं कर्मपदं किं रोगं so this nashayati is a प्रेरणार्थक यथा चलति चालयति नश्यति नाशयति so in the samanya prayoge nashyati the simple direct prayoga we use nashyati like krushihi nashyati ruksha nashyati but if somebody else is destroying it then we will use nashayati so when we use nashayati we have to look at its lang lakara and rit lakara form okay? not the lang rit forms of nashyati is a different no so nashayati is just like chalayati or torayati is also having the aya like nashaya choraya chalaya chalaya like that so we have to look at the forms of nashayati form not nashyati form so nashayati form se be like chorayati only so in that case the lang lakara rupam is simple like a chorayat anashayat chorayishyati nashayishyati then we prepare the ring lakara form by combining the first part last part of middle part of those lang and rit forms so nashayishyat iti anashayishyat so here for example Marutihi Lankanagaram Nashayati. Now, in place of Nashayati, if we want to use Nashyati, then we don't need Marutihi there. Because Lankanagaram Nashyati. Lankanagaram Nashyati. Lankanagara is getting destroyed. So Lankanagaram Nashyati. देयर द लङ्कानगरं नश्यति तस्मिन् वाक्ये लङ्कानगरम् इति पदं प्रथमाविभक्तौ अस्ति. हियर् मारुतिः लङ्कानगरं नाशयति. अत्र लङ्कानगरं पदस्य विभक्तिः का अत्र?
द्वितीय एकवचनं.
द्वितीया बिकास् दिस् इस् कर्मपदम्. मारुतिः लङ्कानगरं नाशयति अत्र कर्मपदम् अस्ति इति कारणात् विभक्तिः द्वितीया. परन्तु केवलं लङ्कानगरं नश्यति तत्र लङ्कानगरं प्रथमविभक्ति तत्तु कर्मपदम्.
कर्तृपदं.
क्षम्यतां कर्तृपदं लङ्कानगरं. मारुतिः लङ्कानगरं नश्यति चेत् तत्र कर्तृपदम्. अस्तु अनन्तरं नम्बर् 13. मारुतिः प्रार्थयति रामः विभीषणं स्वीकरोति. अत्र उभयत्र क्रियापदयोः किमस्ति उपसर्गः अस्ति. अत्र मारुतिः प्रार्थयति. अत्र प्रार्थयति सोपसर्गक्रियापदम् इत्युक्ते उपसर्गसहितं क्रियापदम्. अनन्तरं स्वीकरोति तत्र अपि स्वी इति उपसर्गः. अत्र प्रार्थयति प्र इति क्रिया उपसर्गः. प्र प्लस् अर्थयति. अर्थय यथा चोरयति इति तथा अर्थयति. गीता भगिनी अर्थयति तस्य अर्थयति चोरयति तस्य रूपाणि भवन्ति. प्रार्थ केवलम् अर्थयति अस्य लङ्लकाररूपं भवति अर्थयत् अथवा अर्थयत्. अनन्तरं लृट् लकाररूपं भविष्यत्कालरूपं भवति अर्थयिष्यति. अनन्तरं तस्य तयोः मेलनं भूत्वा अर्थयिष्यत्. अनन्तरं प्र इति पुनः उपसर्गः भवति अनन्तरं. सो हियर् द धातु इस् नाट् प्रार्थ. Dhatu is not partha. Dhatu is just artha. So pra is upasarga. So pra has to be added later. So it is not like lang lakar rupam tu prarthayatyeva na tu aprarthayat iti nasti. Aprarthayat na. Pra plus arthayat prarthayat. Okay.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
And svikaroti here it is svi.
That is clear.
E plus akarishat. E plus is E again. Swakarishat. Sometimes this is there any sentence with preshayati here? Krudhyati also most of you written correctly. Most, not everybody has written correctly. Like krotsyati, which is good. Preshayati asti va चतुर्दश वाक्ये रावणः प्रेषयति इति. रावणः प्रेषयति इति अत्र आवां प्राप्नुमः. Here अप्रेषयत् इति लङ्लकारोपं. Here there is sometimes भ्रमः भवति. This because प्रार्थयति is like pra plus artha. Here also प्रेषयति is pra plus ishayati. It should be like that. Preshayati. Which is a logical reason.
Mahodaya, there is no word like that. Apreshayat. There is no word. It's meaningless.
No, there is word apreshayat. Yeah. Because preshayati is the original. There is no upasarga there. प्र इति उपसर्गः नास्ति प्रशिष्यति प्रेषयति प्रेष्य is the original dhatu like chorayati. So based on that you can form the other langlakara lakara rupam apreshayat iti langlakara rupam apreshayat.
So what will it mean if you write Ravanaha apreshayat?
Ravana apreshayat means Ravana sent it.
Ravana sent it.
Ravana sent something. Ravana apreshayat. Okay.
Ravanaha apreshayat chet atra avam aprapnava. So I want to know, the sentence is wrong, but what does it mean?
Okay, in this case, Ravana preshayati iti atra avam prapnavaha. Suresh Mother, you want to explain this? Meaning?
I'll explain English. So Sukasarana, so they are these two asuras are talking to or responding to Rama. Prativadataha. They are responding to him. Saying that Ravanaha preshayati iti. So Ravana sent us, hence we are here. If he had not sent us, we would not have been here, would be the other form of the sentence. So that's why it becomes Ravanaha na apreshayishyat chet atra avam na prapsyava.
Okay, the first thing is about the preshayati and prapnava. So the forms preshayati, because the preshayat there is no upasarga, we use apreshayat, preshayishyati. So the ringlakara form is apreshayishyat. And in the case of prapnavaha, there is an upasarga, which is pra upasarga there. Apnavaha is the without upasarga, the rupam apnavaha. So there that becomes prapnava, prapsyavaha, prapsyava, because there is a upasarga there. Prapsyava, pra plus apsyava, prapsyava. Now, as far as the meaning is concerned, Shukasaranam Ramam Prativadata. Shukasaranam iti Gudachara. There are some Gudachara. What is in English Gudachara?
Spy.
Secret agents.
Spy, secret agent, yeah. Spies, yes, spies. These two spies came from Ravana's side. So these Shuka and Sarana. Shuka Sarana Ramam Prativadataha. Ravanaha. So initially what in the original sentence is Shuka Sarana Vadataha Ravana Preshayati atra avama prapnavaha. Ravana sends, that is why we are here. So now Ravana na preshayati. If Ravana had not sent us, then we would not have been here. That is what we want to convey. Right? Ravana preshayati iti atra avama prapnavaha. Ravana sends. That is why, or Ravana is sending. That is why we are here. That is the original sentence. Now, to convert this, we do not want to change its meaning. When we put Rang Lakar Rupam, that means it means the event hasn't happened, would have happened. So that's why we want to put na there in both the cases. Because in the original case, there is no na in either side, on either side there. So here, Ravanaha na apreshayishyat chet, if he had not sent, atra avam na prapsyava, we would not have been here, we would not have reached here. Like that. Okay?
Yes, okay, Mahodaya.
So, Then the apreshayat is many times there is a confusion that preshayati there is a upasarga like pra, which is not. But however, there is another dhatu called just ish, which also means to go. So preshati, that is a different dhatu. So if you are using that, then the pra can be considered as an upasarga, because ishati, preshati, to go, preshati means to send. It's like chalati, chalayati, nashyati, nashyati, like that. Preshati can be done. But if you know that, if you are using that kind of that different dhatu, then it is fine. But otherwise, there is another dhatu directly called presha in the Churadigana Chantrana, which is preshayati, which can be used like this. Preshayat.
What is the meaning of apnuma? Apnuma.
Prapnon is reached.
Reach.
Reached, or yeah, in this case it is reached. Reached, obtained. So here also, last one also, keep the meaning in mind. Shrestha Bhakta iti Ramah Marutim Alingati. Because he is a Shrestha Bhakta, Rama is embracing him. So this also, when you convert that into Ringlakara, the meaning should be carried over. Like Shrestha Bhakta na bhavishyat chet Rama Marutim na alingishyat. If you don't put na on one side, then the meaning will be different. So, okay, ready to move further. Agre Sarema. Lung Lakara would have, could have is enough. अग्रिम विषयः प्रचलितः अस्ति आत्मनेपदरूपाणि. आत्मनेपदम् इति एक धातूनां वर्गीकरणम् अस्ति. यथा परस्मैपदम् आत्मनेपदम् इति. परस्मैपदी धातवः तेषां रूपाणि भिन्नानि भवन्ति. यथा भवति, भवतः, भवन्ति, चोरयति, नश्यति, प्राप्नोति, एतानि सर्वाणि आत्मनेपदी रूपाणि. अनन्तरं
Guruji, can you zoom it further?
प्राप्नोति, भवति, नश्यति, एतानि सर्वाणि परस्मैपदी रूपाणि. Too much. I think this is the maximum I can do it.
Okay.
Presentation, where is the presentation? You better?
Better.
So, we're talking about Atmanepadi. So, then there are other forms like Vandate, Vardhate, Vande. So these kind of forms or Atmanepadi forms. So now we saw the let's see what's the formula. So each Kriyapadam or each dhatu is classified as either Parasmay Padidhatu or Atmanepadi dhatu or Ubhayapadi dhatu. Right. Who, like examples which are shown here, Atmanepadi dhatava, Vand, As, these are Atmanepadi. Whereas Da, as you see here, the third column, Da is in the Parasmepadi also, Da is in the Atmanepadi also. That means Da is Ubhayapadi dhatu. And like Divadi Ganiya, Chaturtha Ganiti, Nashyati or Parasmepadi dhatu, Janiti Atmanepadi dhatu. And similarly, Chi, Chino, Chi iti Atmanepadi, Vastutah Chi is Ubhayapadi dhatu asti, but here Udaharanartham is Atmanepadi Chi dhatoha Atmadeti Rupani Darshitani atra. But Chi is Ubhayapadi, Chinoti asti, Chinote iti also Ubhay Atmanepadi Rupamapi asti. Lajja, Lajjate, like that we have. Then Bhuja we have Ubhayapadi, Bhakti, Bhunkte, then this also Ubhayapadi, Karoti, Kurute, Kriyati, Krinite. So like this Kri is also Ubhayapadi. Like, and the Churadi in the 10th Gana, so the specialty is most of them are Ubhayapadi in the Churadi Gana. Like Chorayati, Chorayate, Pujayati, Pujayate, etc. Most of them. There are some exceptions where some of them they are confined to Parasmepadi and some of them are always Atmanepadi, even in Churadi also, the last Gana also. Now when they are Bhayapadi, now Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi, what is the meaning of these words itself? Parasmai, Atmane. Pada we know. Parasmai Padam, Atmane Padam. But what is the meaning, literal meaning of these words? Parasmai Atmane. Para and Atma, right? Para and Atma asti atra. Paras.
I think the result, if it is for others, it is Parasmai.
Yeah. Because the para means other, right? Para. So Parasmai is Chaturthi Vibhakti, like Ramaya. Here it is Parasmai, Ekasmai, Sarvasmai, like that. Parasmai is Chaturthi Vibhakti. For somebody, for other, somebody else, for other, Parasmai. Atmane, this is also Chaturthi Vibhakti, right? Atman, Shuddha, Bhavate, Yatha Bhavate, Tatha Atmane.
So it is for ourselves.
Oneself, it is for oneself.
Oneself.
Here Atmane, so the meaning itself shows Parasmai and Atmane. So last time we talked about Kartrugamini Phalam Bhavati Chet Atmane Pada Prayoga Bhavati Yatha. Kartrugamini ityukte Vakye Karta Yaha Asti Kartrupadayana Yaha Padarthaha Prayuktaha Asti Vakye Phalam Kriyayaha Phalam Kartrugamini Bhavati Chet Kriyayaha Phalam Kartrugamini Bhavati Chet Tatra Prayena Atmane Pada Prayoga Bhavati. So otherwise, if the phala of the kriya goes to some other than the Kartrupadam, other than the karta, then parasmaipada is generally, parasmaipada prayoga is generally made. Now, but many of these dhatus are not, all are not ubhayapadi. All are not ubhayapadi. Some are only parasmaipadi dhatavah, some are atmanepadi dhatavah. Like, for example, nash is always parasmaipadi, nashyati. So then the jan is always atmanepadi. So in that case, what does that mean? So it is not ubhayapadi. So if I am saying that rukshaha nashyati, so there the nash, what is the result of kriya phalam, kriya phalam? The result of the kriya, nashyati, nashana kriya, is now karta, or that itself is getting destroyed. So that is not going to somebody else, parasmaipadi. Parasmaipadi dhatu asti nashyati iti, nashyati. But is the kriyayaha phalam kim bhavati? Karta eva nashyati tatra. So we cannot change that nash to atmanepadi rupam because it is going nashyadhatoho kriyayaha phalam kartrugamini asti iti karana. So that we can't do, because nash dhatu is always parasmaipada dhatu. So there in that case we do not have a choice. That we cannot consider where the kriya phalam, where it is directed towards whom. So we have to use the designated form of that dhatu without thinking about where the kriya phalam goes. So whether if it is parasmaipadi always, then we have to use parasmaipadi. If it is atmani, we will use atmanepadi dhatu, atmanepadi rupam. So jana dhatu. So jana dhatu atmanepadi rupam bhavati jayate. Jayate, we know, most of you have heard of jayate. Sarvatra jayate means to be born. Jayate varna sankaraha. So all that is there. So there is no parasmaipada form of jana dhatu. So we will need to stick to that atmanepadi rupam there. But where there is an option like da dhatu is ubhayapadi dhatu, then chi dhatu, ubhayapadi dhatu, kri dhatu, kru dhatu, these are ubhayapadi dhatava. So there we have a choice that depending on the phalam, phalasya gamitvam kutra asti, gamanam kutra bhavati, tadanusaram tasya padaprayogah kartum shakyate. Although it is not mandatory, that it is better to think. Pacha, pachate, pache, pachate, pachati, pachati, pachate. So pachadhatu is also ubhayapadi dhatu. There also it takes the two forms, pachati in the parasmaipada form and pachate atmanepada form. So there if one is cooking for oneself, then for their own group we can use the atmanepadi rupam, or we can use parasmaipadi rupam otherwise. That is possible, though it is not mandated, but that is how it is supposed to be used. Having said that, you can take a look at the forms themselves, which again is just the matter of remembering the forms. Ramate, Ramete, Ramante, just like you remembered all the parasmaipada forms so far, like Bhavati, Bhavata, Bhavanti, in all the lakaras, right? Abhavat in the lang lakara, Bhavishyati, Lut lakara, Abhavishyat, lang lakara, Bhavatu, Lot lakara. Those you remembered. So similarly, you can just look up the tables also and remember these and use this. So it's just simple. Now, Ubhayapadi the parasmaipadi dhatavaha atmanepadi dhatu, ubhayapadi dhatu. Now, remember that when we are referring to dhatu, when we are referring to dhatu, then we say atmanepadi dhatu or parasmaipadi dhatu. Okay? Parasmaipadi dhatu. Parasmaipadi space dhatu. So this parasmaipadi is the visheshanam for dhatu. I'm just making it giving some clarification, because sometimes you might hear parasmaipada, whether it's parasmaipada, parasmaipadi, or parasmaipadi, like this. Prasvadi, parasmaipadi. So just some clarification here. So here parasmaipadi space dhatu. Parasmaipadi, because it is a visheshanam for dhatu. And what is the pratipadikam of parasmaipadi? Is parasmaipadin. Padin. Parasmaipadin. Like we have naman, karin. So there are many words like ending in like in. The yogin, yogi, like the parasmaipadi is a pullinga ekvachanam. Pullingada. This is a pullinga word. Dhatu is pullinga word. So parasmaipadin is a pullinga pratipadikam. This prathama vibhakti ekavachanam bhavati parasmaipadi. So parasmaipadi dhatu. So if it is bahuvachanam, what is the bahuvachana form of dhatu? Anybody?
Dhatavah.
Dhatavah. So same visheshanam also we want to make it bahuvachanam. What happens here? Padin bahuvachanam?
Padinaha.
Padinaha. Like karinaha. Yoginaha. Padinaha. So parasmai padinaha dhatavah. You can say like that. If we are using two separate words, parasmai padinaha dhatavah. Now if you are using a single word, if you want to combine, then in combination it becomes a compound word, samasta padam bhavati. Then in that case, it comes from rasva e. Dhatu, like that. It's a if you are using it as a compound word, single word, samasta padam, samasa bhavati chet tada parasmaipadi dhatu, not dirgha. If you just separate, what if you want to use, then the ekavachanam bhavati parasmaipadi dhatu atva parasmaipadinaha dhatavah. If you are using combined word, then parasmaipadi dhatu, or bahuvachanam also, you can use parasmaipadi dhatu. If it is a single word like this, compound word. So this is one aspect. And the parasmai padam, if you are not referring to dhatu, if you are using just the pada vyavastha, and you are talking about the type of pada itself, then just the padam, parasmai padam or atmane padam. So for example, parasmai padasya prasakti asti, atmane padasya prayoga bhavati. Like that we use atmane pada prayoga bhavati, not atmane padi prayoga. The prayoga is not a padi. Dhatu is padi. So now the next one is, we talked about some, where is that? Some dhatus are parasmaipadi, some dhatus are atmanepadi, and where there is no choice, then we have no, when there is dhatu belongs to only parasmaipadi or atmanepadi, we don't have any choice. But where there is ubhayapadi, there is a choice. Then we can think, if we have time and patience, we can think about in what pada we have to use it, and accordingly we can use it. But there also you have to be careful, because many dhatus, when they change the pada, their meaning also might change. That means there could be, like for example, bhuj. Take bhuj. There, during the seventh gana, rudhadi gana, it is ubhayapadi. Ubhayapadi is there, but in the parasmapadi its meaning is different. Atmanepadi its meaning is different. Okay. So there also we don't have a choice then. So because depending on what meaning we have to use, we'll have to use that kind of pada. In bhuja, bhunati means palayati iti artha bhavati. Rajyam pale, rajyam bhunati. Rajyam, raja rajyam bhunati. Desham bhunati, desham palayati iti artha. Bhunkte, bhunkte vishwabhagavreyaha iti yatha vakyam asti. Tata bhunkte means is eating. Bhojanam karoti. Bhogaha iti. Bhunkte. तथा इति आत्मनेपदी रूपं भवति अर्थभेदः भवति तत्र. So that also we have to keep in mind. So kru there is no arthabheda. So kri there is kri dhatu no arthabheda ubhayapadi. Puja also those are no arthabheda. So there we have the choice atmanepadi parasmepadi. But here like in case of like bhuja etc. Arthabheda bhavati. This is one thing you will have to keep in mind. So everywhere where there is ubhayapadi, the meaning may not be same. Most of it is same, but there are some special cases. Now there are other things we need to consider. Let's look at some examples here. Ramate, ramete. Okay, another example is vardhate, vardhete, vardhante, vardhase, vardhete, vardhadve, vardhe, vardhavahe, vardhamahe. So be familiar with this pattern. Right. So these patterns forward for lat lakara, the ganas 1, 4, 6, 10. Right. So we looked at this ganas 1, 4, 6, 10. The patterns are similar. Bhavati, nashyati, likhati, then pujayati 1, 4, 6, 10. So similarly, Atmanepadi series also 1, 4, 6, 10. The patterns remain same for lat lakara and lang lakara respectively, and lot lakara respectively, lit lakara respectively. The patterns remain same there in those respective lakaras. So vandate, so if you vanda, vardha, rama, so that is given here. So ramate, ramete, ramante, ramase, ramete, ramadve, rame, ramavahe, ramamahe. What is the meaning of rama? Hope anybody not know rama? Ramate means what?
Enjoy? Is it enjoy?
Yeah, enjoy. Ramate. So ramate, ramete, ramante, ramate, balakaha ramate. Balaka enjoys. Ramete. It just enjoys. There is no karma padam here. Balakaha ramate. Then similarly, vardhate. Vardhate, vardhete. So the patterns are same here. Balaka ramate, vardhate. Similarly, if you want to put vanda here, what will be the table? What are the rupani? Atra vanda dhatu. Vardhate is to grow. Vrikshaha vardhate. Balaka vardhate. Vardhate. Balika vardhate. Sukham vardhate. Iti vardhate prayoga. Tatha vanda dhatu. Vanda dhatu. Vanda dhatu rupani katam bhavanti.
Bandate, bandate, bandete, bandhante, bandase, bandethe, bandedve, bandhadve, dve. Bandhe, bandavahe, vandamahe.
Uttamam. Vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. It is samana sadrisha रूपाणि सदृशानि भवन्ति अत्र. Already written here. Okay. So similarly, I have shown here a few more examples. Atmanepadi धातवः तेषां लट्लकारे प्रथमपुरुषे एकवचनरूपाणि अत्र. So wants to read it.
वन्दते विद्यते इच्छते भासते त्रायते मोदते कुर्दते स्मयते यतते लभते स्पर्धते नयते वर्धते गयते मन्यते जायते पचते कंपते राजते शोभते म्रियते सेवते पलायते काशते शेते कुरुते त्वरते शङ्कते विजयते प्रतिष्ठते. जयते इति किं महोदय?
Let's start from the beginning. Vandate, everybody knows. If anybody doesn't know the words which are being read one by one, please not raise your hand. Please speak up. Yeah, Vandate, or we can just quickly say. Beginning. Vandate. What is Vandate?
Worship.
उदाहरण वाक्य प्रयोगं करोतु. वन्दते.
अहं देवं वन्दे.
अहं देवं वन्दे. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन. विद्यते.
तत्र गृहं विद्यते.
तत्र गृहं विद्यते. What is the meaning of vidyate?
Stays there.
Yeah, stays like asti. So here we have not this. What is that?
Mahodaya, what is that vidyate?
Vidyate, as you said, it's like asti. It is there. Vidyate means bhavati. अत्र अस्मिन् वर्गे उत्तमाः छात्राः विद्यन्ते. Like that if I say.
भगवान् सर्वत्र विद्यते.
भगवान् सर्वत्र विद्यते.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
So here we have different kriya padas, right? Like for existing or stay. Like we have asti, bhavati on the parasmay pada side, and atmanepada side we have vidyate here, and also there is vartate. Many of you heard of this vartate, which I used many times, right, while speaking. Vartate. Vartate is also like bhavati or vidyate asti, but there are some subtle differences between these. Atra graham vartate, Bhagavan sarvatra vartate also can be used. Bhagavan sarvatra vidyate also can be used. Bhagavan sarvatra bhavati, Bhagavan sarvatra asti. All those are fine, but there is subtle difference between all these different dhatus. Now we'll see them in the later as we start using them more and more. And once you come across these more and more in the Sahityam, then you will get that idea when they should be used and what the subtle difference is. Even the explaining is a little bit difficult, at least for me. I will try, but many times you can use them interchangeably, which people do, which is fine. But there is a subtle difference, which you will notice as you progress kalakramena kalena gachata kalena. So vidyate vartate, vartanam is like, see, vrutu vartana dhatu, you have heard of varta, right? Varta. Why is it called varta? Varta patram.
वार्ता विनिमय
वार्ता विनिमय
वर्तमानकाले
वर्तमान is coming because of dhatu only. Varta, let's say vartamanakale. Vartate means there is some kind of activity there. Vartana is not like just not stand still. It is there, but there is a kind of activity there, movement. Vartate. So tatra vartate. Similarly, there is vidyate also. Then the bhavati also. Bhavati we already know, like happens, or aham mama gruhe bhojanam athva panchavadane bhojanam bhavati. So you see the difference. Panchavadane bhojanam asti. Panchavadane bhojanam bhavati. I think you understand the difference, right? There is a difference. Panchavadane bhojanam asti. Panchavadane bhojanam bhavati. Though they can be used, either one can be used.
Mahodaya, one vidyate is existing and vartate is happening.
Yeah, somewhat like that. Yeah, correct. Like the difference between asti and bhavati, similar to that, vidyate and vartate. But even vidyate is not equal to asti. Vidyate, Bhagavan sarvatra vidyate. He is everywhere. Bhagavan sarvatra. Asti is a different. We will come to the more about discussion about asti in another later in our course. There is a topic for that. We will come to that. Okay. But these are vartate, vidyate, bhavati. These have similar meanings, but not same. Okay. Next one. Ikshate. वाक्यं रचयतु.
इच्छते इत्युक्ते like it, Mahodaya?
No, ईक्षते पश्यति. Okay, somebody else. Where are others? Anybody want to continue? Samya Bhagini, are you there? I don't know.
महोदय, बालकः चलनचित्रम् ईक्षते.
The next one.
भाषते, to speak. महोदय, आचार्यः भाषते. त्रायते अहं न जानामि महोदय.
त्रायते रक्षति.
रक्षति, ओके. त्रायते
स्वल्पमप्यस्य. भगवान्.
What is trayate, please?
यथा भगवद्गीता
Trayate. Trayate.
Lot of noise. किं त्रायते?
देवः त्रायते.
भगवान्
यथा पुत्रं त्रायते, will come like that.
पुत्रः मातां त्रायते.
पुत्रः मातां त्रायते.
किमपि महोदय. यथा भगवद्गीतावाक्यमस्ति, स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. महतो भयात् त्रायते. स्वल्पमपि धर्मस्य आचरणं भवति चेत् महत् भयात् त्रायते इति. भयात् अस्माकं रक्षणं करोति धर्मः.
Okay.
Modate.
Mahoday, I did not get it, Mahoday. Trayate?
Rakshati.
Rakshati, protect.
आरक्षकः चोरात् त्रायते.
आरक्षकः चोरात् त्रायते.
Modate is again enjoy, like ramate. Aham bhojanam mode. Kurdate, is it jumping mode?
Jumping.
Kurdate. Vanarah jump. Vanarah kurdate.
It is like note that jump. This kurdate is like jumping at one place, like vanaras, they spring up and down, like that is kurdate. Sometimes, like again, looking at the Sanskrit English dictionary, this kurta means they put jump there, and people start using it. Nadi jale kurde, something like that. Kurdani, something like that. That's not kurdana. Yeah, if you're standing in the jala and jumping up and down, that is okay.
Smayate. Smayate. Smiles. To smile. Balika smayate. Yatate. Yatate. What is yatate, Mahoday?
Prayatnam karotu.
Prayatnam. Okay.
So prayatna.
Prayatna. Okay.
Tatra pra iti upasargah. So yat dhatuh asti tateva yatna iti shabda agatah. Tatra yatna iti avashyakam nasti. Kevalam prayatah atha prayatanam iti api bhavati. Prayatanam. Yatanam means yatna eva. Yatanam. Yatha gamanam. Tada yatanam.
Chhatraha yatante.
Chhatra yatante. So you find this yatante also, but many times what we are familiar is with pra upasarga. So we can use prayatante.
Prayatante. Okay, prayatante. Then labhate. To get, to obtain.
बालकाय भोजनं लभते.
बालकाय भोजनं लभते.
Spardhate, to fight.
It's compete.
Spardhate is to compete.
Hold on. बालकः भोजनं लभते. बालकाय. बालकः भोजनं लभते.
Spardhate is compete or
so here labhate, sometimes I'm coming back to labhate because many times it is confusing because we think of labhate or get in other languages, which is fine. I mean, and that is how many times in that context it is used in Sanskritam also. For example, when I get something, for example, I get money. So generally, when I use in English or our languages also, we use like money. I get money, like that, right? I get money, or money is got, something like that. So money is gotten. There the karmani or the I forget the English. What is the karmani in English?
Passive.
Yeah, passive voice. So passive voice kind of thing is used most of the time with the labha, like labhyate. Labhyate is a passive voice. So dhanam labhyate means money is obtained. Money is obtained. So, but if you want to use it direct, like the kartari prayoga, active voice, then it is like just balakaha dhanam labhate. Balaka gets the money. Not dhanam labhyate. Balaka gets the money. Balaka dhanam labhate. Okay, next one.
Mahodaya, Mahodaya, is it the difference is like getting and accomplishing something? Labhate?
Labhate is getting. Labha bhavati.
Getting, only getting. Okay.
Yeah.
Benefiting.
Huh?
Benefit.
Okay, benefiting. Labhate. Benefit, he is talking about like labha. Benefit, like labha is getting only, right? Labhate. Balakah vidyam labhate.
So labha is not correct. Labha is not correct.
No, labha is correct. But I'm not sure about the English translation I'm saying. It may be benefit in that sense. But just the literal meaning I'm saying, just the get. Get is also benefit only. Okay. Next one.
Spardhate, Mahoday. Is it fight or compete, or does it mean both?
Yeah, both.
Okay.
It is basically compete.
Yeah,
but compete can be for fighting also. Yeah.
Okay. Janaha spardhante. Then nayate can be to lead or to carry, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nayakah nayate.
So your ni dhatu is ubhayapadi. Nayati, we have seen already. Nayati, bharam nayati, pustakam nayati, like that. So here the atmanepadi rupam asti nayate. Okay. Vardhate. Next.
Vardhate. That happens.
Sorry, nayate is what? Bring?
Which one? Nayate?
Is the bring you said?
To lead or to carry.
To lead or to carry, okay.
Like a leader leading, and if you carry something. I think anayati is to bring.
If you put upasarga a, then anayati or anayate is
to bring. Vardhate is suryodayah vardhate.
No, suryodayana. Vardhate is not vardhate. Vardhate is grow.
Vrikshaha
vardhate, to grow.
Ayuhu vardhate.
Ayuhu vardhate.
Ayuhu vardhate. Correct. Ayuhu vardhate.
Ayu vardhate athva kimatra. Shukla pakshe chandraha vardhate.
Dayate, to fly. Khagah dayate. Then manyate is to think.
Imagine.
Is it imagine?
Sorry, dayate, I did not get it. Dayate?
To fly.
Oh.
A bird flying. Khagah dayate.
So generally you find this dayate maybe with the ut upasarga. Tata uttisthati, ut iti upasarga. Tata ut plus dayate. Kim bhavati?
Buddhayate.
Ut plus dayate.
Buddhayate.
So अत्र सन्धि भवति. सन्धि तकारस्य टकार आदेशः उड्डयते. Why the dot came there? Uddayate. Uddayate. So dayate is flying. What is uddayate?
Fly up, Mahoday?
Yeah, like fly up or take off.
Take off.
Like tishtati, uttishtati, raise.
Tishtati, yeah.
Rise.
Right.
Get up, rise.
Away.
Uddan.
Uddan.
Vimana Uddan.
Uddana iti nasti, uddayanam. Next.
Manyate. Manyate, I thought it is think. Somebody said imagine. It is both, Mahoday?
Not imagine. Actually think. Manyate. Manne.
Aham manye. Okay. Jayate. Jayate to know, Mahoday? No. Jayate is ja dhatu?
Jan dhatu asti.
Jan dhatu. Okay. To be born.
So there is a special case dhatu jan, but its form becomes jayate. So this is a divadi ganiya dhatu letanashyati tata yakara jayate.
To be born. Pachate is cook.
Bhagini, what is the sentence you made for Jayate?
Oh, sorry. Jayate. Yeah. Jayate, to be born. Shishuhu Jayate. Is that okay, Mahoday?
I don't know. I was asking. Shishu Jayate, is it okay?
No, is there a different word for like a infant? I didn't. There are different balakah, shishuhu, and I wasn't sure.
That's one. Arbhakah. Arbhakah Jayate. Shishu Jayate, Rama Jayate, Chandra Jayate, Surya Jayate, everybody Jayate. Chintanam Jayate, Chinta Jayate, Buddhi Jayate. Everything is Jayate only. Sukham Jayate.
Pachate, Mata Pakam Pachate. Then cooking. Pachate is to cook. Then Kampate is to shake or move, Mahoday?
Shake.
Shake. Vrikshaha Kampate.
Shiva is right. Shiva is right. Kampate Shiva.
Shivar or shake. So many times in the stories and etc., you will find Shirah Kampate. Shirah Kampate. Shirah means what is Shirah?
Mastaka.
Mastakam. So the Shirah Kampate, like this you find the Vakyam many times, because when you are yada saha kachit acharya athva shikshaka katham kathayati tada chhatraah shirah kampante. They shake their head. Okay, like that.
Okay. Rajate, to rule.
No, shine.
Rajate, shine.
Shining.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Dhanyavada. Suryah Rajate, is that would be right? Chandraha Rajate.
Yes. So here many times we find this Rajate with V upasarga, Virajate. Like generally, Rajam, Raja, Virajate, but many times that is shine actually. But when you use it in the sense of when somebody, so when asanam virajate.
Like adorning the seat, something like that.
Adorning. Exactly, adorning. I didn't get that word.
Yeah, so it is like shining. So it's like yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Shobhate. Shobhate is Shobhanam, right? Not a good. It's nice.
Shobhate also is like Rajate.
Shobhate.
Pushpaha Shobhate. What did you say, Mahoday? Shobhate is also what?
Like Raja, I think. Shobha dadati means Shobha means
beautiful.
Like
giving
like
more beauty.
Something like Kanti, Shobha.
Okay.
Shobhate. Anantaram.
Mriyate, to die. Ravanaha Mriyate. Then Sevate, to serve.
Ravana is our target all the time.
Kamsaha Mriyate. Sevate, to serve. Janaha Nrupam Sevate. और नृपः जनान् सेवते. पालयते to grow, to nourish, to no, palayate, sorry, palayate to run away.
Palayate is vanish, no?
Yeah, run away.
Run away.
Run away.
Mahoday, what is cowards run away?
Chorah palayate.
Chorah palayate. Oh, bhiruhu. Mahoday, bhiruhu will come. Bhiruhu palayate. Kashate. न जानामि महोदय.
With the pra upasarga.
Prakashati. Oh, okay. To again shine?
Yeah.
To glow. Okay. Okay. Kashate, to glow, to shine. Okay.
Surya prakashati.
Surya prakashati. I was trying something else. Shete.
Sleep.
Sleep. Okay. Okay. Shete. Sleep. Okay.
What is shete, Mahodaya?
Sleeping. Sleep.
Oh, sleep. Okay.
To sleep.
Shayanam karoti iti shete. Shayanam karoti. Iti shete.
Kumbhakarnah shete.
Kumbhakarnah shete. So the shete is a adharikaniya dvitiya, second gana. Its rupas are not regular like what you say vandate vandate tatana samti rupani. It is special. Like shete, you can look at the table some other time. But that's just a prathama purusha ekvachanam. It is shete. It's simple. If you find it.
Okay. Kurute, to do. बालकः गृहपाठं कुरुते. त्वरते न जानामि महोदय.
To hurry.
Be quick.
Okay. छात्राः त्वरन्ते. Then shankate, to doubt. Okay. I don't know what sentence to make, Mahoday. Shankate.
Shanka nasti chet chinta nasti. Shankate.
What is shankate?
Doubt.
Shankam karoti. Sandeham karoti.
I have a doubt. Samshayam. Mahoday, how can we make a sentence shankate? How do you use shankate?
हम कार्यस्य विषये शंके अथवा धर्मस्य विषये शंके धर्माचरणस्य विषये शंके.
Okay.
Shankate. So the other two, last two, we'll keep it for the next class because they need more explanation.
Bhagini, I missed kashate. What is kashate?
Kashate, to shine. Prakashate. You use it. Mahoday said we put the upasarga pra usually, and it becomes prakashate. Prakashate, like Suryah prakashate.
That prakashate is familiar.
Yes.
Got it.
Mani, good exercise you have done.
How about mriyate?
Mriyate, die.
Maranam.
To die. Maranam prapnoti, like you die. So I said Ravanaha mriyate or Kamsaha mriyate.
Okay.
Okay, are we done? Any other question?
How to find which are Atma Nepadi and Parasmayapadi Dhatu? From where we have to find?
Yeah, so the best thing, the easier one, as again go back to that. This is easy. So you go to this website, ashtadhyayi.com. If you go here, this left side, select filters. So even if here you can select different things like what gana and etc. And padam you can select parasmay padam, atmane padam. So you can select say you want to see Atmanepada dhatus only. So you click here, it will show all the Atmanepada dhatus.
Okay.
And also not only that, good thing is at the bottom it was the count of it. How many Atmanepada dhatus are there? So you can find out easily. So last time I said I don't remember which are the weight dhatus, like state, weight, like state, anit and weight dhatus are there. So I just went here. I don't know how to cancel this. So I just went here and just selected weight, and there are only like 20 weight dhatus are not many out of 2000. If I go to here and where is the Idagama? Idagama, you go there and you select weight here. So these are the weight dhatus. Like see the top. So how many are there total? Total there are 38 weight dhatus are there. Not many out of 2000. Like so, if you, for example, what is weight we saw that.
What is weight?
Huh?
What is weight dhatu? Weight.
Where is with dhatu? With? Are you asking about with or weight?
Weight.
Anyway, like
Weight. He is asking about weight.
weight is not dhatu. Mohdaya, we discussed about the different type of dhatus, right? How the dhatus are classified. Set, anit, weight. So if I click this klish dhatu, which is the weight dhatu, you can see that. So here lat lakara is fine. If you go to here, see, lut is okay, and even you say lat lakara, bhavishyat kala, kleshishyati, klekshati, because it is weight. So both the forms are there. Without, this is set rupam with idagama, kleshishyati, and this without e, klekshati. So this is weight dhatu. This is easy, and this filter is very good.
Weight is like upayapadi. It can be both.
Yeah, it's not pada, right? It is just a e, whether e is there or not. This is not Atmanepadi, Parasmepadi. This is the set or anit or weight.
Yeah, I didn't say it is similar to that usage where it can exist with
right.
set and it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or this or that, optionally. So this is very good filter.
Where to search
you can apply
for the select filters?
Select filter on the top here. There are 3 lines like that.
Yeah. Got it.
All right, we'll stop here. If any others can leave, if anybody has any questions, I'll stay back for 5 minutes.
Mahodaya, do we have to go here for next week's homework to this place?
Dhanyavad.